Welcome to Sasmedia Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how to verify your emails or verify your bulk emails. I have already made a video on this using a different tool, which is the Super Email Validator. But in this video, I'm going to use more advanced tool, you understand? But this tool isn't free, alright? So let me show you how to use this software, how to install and how to use it to validate your bulk emails. All right, so please subscribe, like this video if you are enjoying it. All right, so now let's get into it. All right, so this is the software. All right, just right click on it, click on extract here. Now if you are not seeing this, that means you don't have WinRAR installed on your computer. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to Google. So now let me click on download WinRAR over here. All right, so you can click on buy WinRAR, or you can just download the WinRAR and install on your computer. You understand? Very simple. Now if you are done, come back. All right, so now before we continue, make sure you turn off your antivirus. Okay, so you need antivirus that you are using. So mine is Windows Defender. So Windows Defender. So this is the Windows Defender security. All right, so this is it. So now you can see virus and protection. Okay, just click on sorry, not actually here. Or just click on virus and threat protection over here. All right, so just click on manage settings over here, then turn off the real-time protection. Yes. All right, so this is it. So now the antivirus has been disabled. Make sure you disable your antivirus. Now just right click on it and click on extract here. The password is 1, then click OK. Okay, now it's done. Just open it and just double click on this. Give administration permission, click OK. I accept the agreement, click next, 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 and install. So you have to give it a time, wait for a while for it to finish the installation process. When it's done, we'll be back to continue. All right, so it's done. So just uncheck this. Okay, just leave it like that and click on finish. Okay, so it is going to launch the verifier. All right. Okay, so now they are asking us to activate the software. So all you have to do is just click on this side, click on keygen. All right, that's keygen. You can call it keygen, whatever. All right, so open it and just double click on the keygen. Close it, come back. Now before that, make sure you turn off your internet access. Okay, disconnect, paste it over here. Make sure your antivirus is off and your internet access is not connected. Click register. So as you can see, email verifier registration has been successful. Click OK. So now you can turn on your internet access back. All right, I'm using an yes, so this is it. So now back again. So now this is a software we have been able to to register this software. So now come to the import section, then import your emails. All right, so I have some emails over here. All right, okay, so let's wait for it to finish and come back in a short possible time. All right, so as you can see, it has successfully imported my emails. So all you have to do is just click on start now. All right, so I just click on start and wait for it. So as you can see, you have the test unsuccessful, you have the bad addresses, and you have the valid addresses. So let's wait. As you can see, I have valid addresses 20 out 20, 40 now, test unsuccessful 10 now. So now for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to click on stop now. All right, so now I'm going to click on export. So now I'm going to export valid addresses and addressing looking valid. I'm not going to export bad addresses and addressing looking bad, or untested addresses or addressing causing errors. All right, so if I wanted to add this, I'll just have to check this, but I don't want to add that. I want only valid emails. You understand? So just click on OK. Then you have to save it. Let's say result, then click save. You understand? So now these are 40 valid emails, right? So as you can see, they have their country. All right, so this address is able to tell you the email and the country that email was created from. You understand? So you can see this email is from Morocco, this email is Nigeria, India. This is just commercial, and this is a network email. You understand? So you can see this is a commercial email, commercial email, commercial email. So you can see Gmail at gmail.com is a commercial email, Gmail is a commercial email. If it's a business email, just like this, okay, you can see creativeweb.in is India, bloomniger.com.niger is Nigeria, bako.ma is Morocco, this is network, asec.net is network. All right, so that is it. So that is how you can validate your email. So let's go and check. Go to document and search for results. Okay, not here, rather have this is this document. So results. So this is the result. I'm going to open, and you can see these are the emails. So there are 40 emails. There are 40 emails. All right, so email test, email address, email type, and the response. You understand? You can also save it to CSV so that you can open it in Excel. You understand? So this is basically how to validate your bulk emails. All right, so please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want more this kind of content. All right, if you want this too, please check the description and also the first comment and get and contact me. You understand? The first comment, I'll leave my WhatsApp link over there so that you can contact me through WhatsApp. And when you check the description, I have my email, my WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever. I have Telegram as well. Yeah, I think Telegram as well. Please join my Telegram channel so that whenever I upload a video, I'll just put it over there. And also I'm going to share some free tools over there, so please join my Telegram channel at the description and also at the first comment. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.